Hello, you guys. Today we are seeing a rabbit.
There he is. Look at him. Look at him now.
He's eating. There he is. We're gonna get a little bit closer so I can get a rabbit at a better look. Come on. Stay there a little bit longer. Just me. Just me. Okay. We might just get a closer look. You might even let us pet him. This rabbit's gonna be famous, I think, maybe. There he is. There you go. You saw the rabbit. Let's see if it comes back. Rabbit, come back, please. Rabbit, you'll be famous if you come here. Rabbit! You could be famous to come here. Ah.